Hello, Salaam alaikum. I'm here with my mother. She's on her idaat, which is her mourning period, and she's just having some interesting snacks, which are called a trail mix. Show the packet, mummy. Show the packet. Just show the packet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, she's going to have one of those. They're quite nice, but I prefer those from Costco better. Anyway, so I want to ask her, the reason I'm not on video is I don't have my scarf on. I'm just going to have a cup of tea. Well, actually not a cup of tea, a cup of water, because those of you who know me know that I don't drink tea or coffee. And I'm going to have a biscuit. So I'm going to dunk these pistachio biscuits in my water as we throughout whilst my mother's talking. Anyway, so I don't have my scarf on and my mother doesn't want to be in the video, so that's fair enough. Anyway, so mummy, tell me when dad came to, I'll say it in Urdu and I'll translate in English because she's laughing at me. So डैडी जब आए थे वो कहाँ आए थे लंदन
हीथ्रो में
और फिर क्या हुआ
फिर विक्टोरिया में जाकर डैडी की चीज़ें लॉक किया
ओके
फिर डैडी पूरा लंदन घूमा
ओके
इसके बाद अंकल के पास गया
right how much money did he have
1,000 रुपया लेके आए थे
yeah which was how many pounds do you know
yeah maybe was worth about 11 rupiah.
Okay, so what's that? 1,000. Let's say 10. No way.
Yeah, 11.
So going 90 pounds, that is something. No way, that's a lot of money.
1,000 rupiah लेके वहाँ
और वो
तो डेढ़ के 10 जरूरत था एकदम थोड़ी
या वैसे कोई लोग 10 pounds के साथ आए थे इस मुल्क में
पास नहीं है
Oh, okay. Well, my mother says he came to this country with 1,000 rupees, which she said at that time was 11 rupees to the pound.
Shop sell clinic.
Oh, he sold his clinic. He had a homeopathic clinic in Pakistan at the time, so he sold his clinic.
Lots of cheese to sell.
Oh, right. So he had quite a lot of money compared to some other people who came to this country with 10 pounds or 20 pounds in their pocket. So he had about whatever 1,000 divided by 11 is. I'm guessing it's about 90 something. Okay, so my mother said he arrived at Heathrow, put his luggage in Victoria, and then went sightseeing around London before he went to stay with my uncle, who was living in, I don't know. I'm going to find out and let you know in the next episode. So I'm going to let you know. Yeah, mummy said I said it yesterday, but I want to know for sure, and I'll let you know. Anyway, so I'm going to dunk my biscuit in. Anyway, so mummy, so then what happened? So he went to uncle's, then what happened?
Maybe she lived 1 week, 2 weeks, I don't know. And after he got job, trolley में.
So he left the uncle के पास रह रहे थे और फिर वहाँ से
1 week ठहरे होंगे शायद.
अच्छा उनको job मिलने के बाद में वो
जी.
All right. So whilst he was staying with my uncle up north somewhere, not very up north, mid.
को नहीं पसंद था
and he didn't like that area very much. So I need to be careful when I find out what that area is. And he then what did he do? He applied for a job and got a job somewhere in Crawley.
फिर Crawley में sweet shop में काम करते.
In a sweet shop?
Chocolate
shop?
Chocolate factory में.
Oh my God, that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
And we weren't even here. So in a chocolate factory, what was he doing?
पता नहीं पैक करते हैं या बनाते हैं, I don't know.
So my mother doesn't actually know what he was doing because she wasn't in the country.
Pakistan में.
She was in Pakistan. So he got a job in a sweet shop Not a sweet shop, a sweet
Chocolate
in a chocolate
factory.
factory in Crawley. And unfortunately, we can't even ask my father. So, anyway.
फिर उसके बाद उधर छोड़ के GKN में काम किया
So he left that after a short while
मैकेनिकल
and got a job.
वो GKN कंपनी में
He got a job in GKN.
कंपनी
Where was that? Consa?
नॉर्थ लंदन में
It was in North London?
या वो क्रिकल उधर
Oh, in Cricklewood somewhere. He got a job in North London. Just dunk it a bit more. And then he was there for a while. Okay, I think that's enough for today. What we're going to do is we're going to do some cooking later on. What are we going to make? Kya banayenge? Mom,
maybe कीमा बिरयानी
we're going to make keema biryani. And do you know what keema biryani is? It is minced biryani. And I think some of you know that my mother's an amazing cook. So she's going to show you how to make it. So join me later on.
आएंगे ना
I'm not sure if my kids are returning today.
कब आएगा
They've gone camping. So anyway, we're going to show you how to do this. So join me later on. Bye for now. Hopefully I'll have my scarf on then. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.